What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Shani's World. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Shani's World. Returning subscribers and new subscribers. Yeah, so y'all know it's hurricane season, so I had to bring this throwback back, okay? This is a pre-recorded live from my Facebook, okay? Y'all know us Floridians don't take nothing serious, especially a hurricane. But baby, when it comes to getting that water, oh, we gonna stock up just in case for the season. So that means when the first season come, baby, they clearing out the whole shelves. Okay, so just stay tuned for this little educational video in case you go to Florida during hurricane. Pack your water. Yeah, these people told me yesterday that they got a truck yesterday afternoon. Where's the water? What y'all did with the water? What did y'all do with the water? No, I know this ain't no. Oh, this cold. This is from the refrigerator in the front. So, what's this? Fiji water. It's $2.48 for one bottle and $13.58 for. Oh, I'm not doing that. I just can't do that. This enough water for one person. No, sorry. What's that? I just don't spend that much. Thank you, sis, for sharing. Good morning. You see this? This is how they want us to survive for the hurricane. Now I'm gonna go to one more store. If not, I'm gonna do it my way. Boil it. Like I've been doing it. If I don't have money, I always boil my water. If I don't have a way to the store, I boil my water. And that's what it's looking like. Good morning, Queen. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to Publix. Hopefully they got some. Hey, friend, I see you. Good morning. Girl, they don't got no water over here. They got some water over there, but they don't got none over here. Good morning, Chef. Yusuf. Chef, they got some water over there? Because on this side of town, ain't none. Of course, the parking lot pad. Good. This signal bad. I'm going to go to Dollar General. They save me some. Oh, girl, you got the plug. You plugged in. They got you some water up there. Tell them to save me some, too. Chef, they got water on your side of town? I don't know what side of town you stay on. But let me know. Why you just stood behind me like that? Don't do that. Don't do that. We're gonna go to Publix, y'all. It look like there's a lot of people over there because these other stores ain't even open. You on my side? Oh, I didn't know you stay. No, I don't stay over there no more. I moved to out here by Brandon. I stay out here by Brandon now. I'm on your side. That's crazy. I ain't going in there. Yeah, that's the Walmart out here. Now I'm finna go to Publix, y'all. Wish me luck. If not, I'm boiling that water and I'm gonna call it a day. That's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm the reason when I'm outside, the signal be dropping. It's finna rain too. I'm finna get rained on. I ain't bring no umbrella with me. Oh my gosh. Wow. There's so many people at the store. I'm hungry smelling all this food. Man, it seems like it's taking forever for me to get here. could go. Come on. Walmart got a truck coming. Okay. That might be a good sign. Oh, so they must have just got their truck. That lady told me they got their truck yesterday afternoon. So it must be late. Turn on the blinker or something. Why you doing all that like you finna start flying? Them people get on my nerves. Alright, y'all. I'm in here. She got all the water, y'all. I hope she saved me some. Good morning to you. How are you? I'm looking for water. If you're new, welcome, welcome. Come on, y'all. I hope y'all really save me some water. I'm on the wrong side. I think it's the eye. This says soft drinks, specialty drinks. I think it's the eye. Look like they just got a truck. Hey, Alicia. Good morning. This the wrong aisle. Cause all I see is soda. There go the water, y'all. I made it just in time.
They might tell you that you can't have them all. I'm not sure. What is it? I'm not sure. But they might tell you up there that you may not be able to have them. I'm not sure. I'll take like three. I think the limit is 4, but I'm not exactly sure.
What? Limit on what?
Water.
It's 8 gallons and...
Well, those are 3 liters, so I'm not exactly sure.
So limit of 4 24-pack or 8 gallons. You should be fine with 8 gallons.
Yeah, you should be fine then.
Can I get one of those? Can I get one of those ones that he got?
What they do is tell you to go up first. We take out.
Thank you. Okay. Y'all, I got my water. I just need some milk. Because I really was not trying to boil that water, but I would have if I had to. But alright, y'all, I'm about to go. I don't really feel like being on here today. Thank y'all for tuning in. Share me out. I'll see y'all later.